welcome back. Today I'll take you along as I prepare to dehydrate my mint and lemon balm. If you did not watch the video where I harvested this mint and lemon balm, I'll have that video linked in the description box below. First, I'm gonna wash off my the mint and the lemon balm. Now I am going to lay them out on this clean towel so that we can extract as much of the water before the dehydration process. This is my Westbend toaster oven air fryer with the function to dehydrate. This is the manual that I'm looking at, and it will be at 90 degrees Fahrenheit for 120 minutes. So I'm going to be removing the trays. There are 2 trays where I'll be loading the mint and lemon balm. We're going to be taking them stem by stem, and we're going to just lay them flat on the tray. Now, if you don't have a dehydrator, you can use your oven. Other ways of dehydrating are simply to tie the herbs into bundles and hang them up to air dry. Placing them out in the sunlight is another great way to naturally dehydrate them as well. I have quite a bit, so it's going to take me a few sessions to get all of this dehydrated. We will now select the dehydrate function, which is set at 90 degrees Fahrenheit and runs for 2 hours. Our cycle has now stopped. It was for 2 hours. Now let's check and see the progress. At this point, the herbs are just halfway done, so we will run the cycle one more time. So now this is what we have. It's nice and dried. So I'll continue the process until I've completed all of the mint and lemon balm. We have now finished the whole process. Now what we do next, we're going to take them piece by piece and simply remove the leaves from the stems. removed all the leaves, you can either store them in a glass jar or a Ziploc bag so that you can keep them fresh. So I'm going to continue on removing the leaves, and I'll come back and show you how much I have yielded from my harvest. If you have found this video useful, please take a moment to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you.